Electric eel facts. 1. The electric eel. Introduction. You might not notice anything unusual about the electric eel at first glance. This long-bodied, mud-colored fish does, however, possess a remarkable superpower: the capacity to produce potentially harmful levels of electricity. Electricity is used by the electric eel to navigate and immobilize its prey. 2. A knife fish, not an eel. The electric eel is actually a knife fish, despite its name and appearance suggesting otherwise. The order of bony fish known as gymnotiforms includes knife fish. Even though real eels are fish, they belong to the Anguilliformes order. The only species in the Electrophoridae family is the electric eel. Compared to the electric eel, knife fish generally resemble normal fish and can all produce electricity. The other knife fish, on the other hand, only generate electricity when electrolocating, which is the process of using electrical fields to see their surroundings. Compared to the electric eel, knife fish generally resemble normal fish and can all produce electricity. 3. What does an electric eel look like? The electric eel has a long, cylindrical body, giving it more of an eel than a fish appearance. Its undersides are orange-red, and its back is dark brown or black. The fish has two pectoral, side, fins and an elongated anal fin that runs from the head to the tip of the tail along the underside. The electric eel can move forward and backward through the water with the help of this long fin. With a maximum weight of 20 kilograms, the electric eel is the largest of the knife fish, 44 pounds. It can grow to 2.4 meters in length, 8 feet. Male and female electric eels differ in size. 4. The electric eel breathes air. The electric eel gets most of its oxygen from the air, not the water, unlike most fish. Every 2 to 10 minutes, it ascends to the surface to gulp air. Since the fish lacks lungs, oxygen from the air is taken in through the fish's mouth and absorbed into the bloodstream. 5. Where does the electric eel live? In South America's Amazon and Orinoco River basins, the electric eel can be found. The region that empties into a river is known as a basin. 6. Electric eel facts. Habitat. Freshwater lakes, streams, and small rivers are the home of the electric eel. It frequently inhabits oxygen-poor, muddy, slow-moving water, which accounts for its capacity to breathe air. Electric eels make up a significant portion of the fish biomass in some habitats of flooded forests. Biomass is the total mass of all species in an area, not their number. 7. Electric eel diet. Crabs and shrimp are the main invertebrate prey of electric eels. Adults also consume small mammals, fish, and amphibians. Fruit that falls into the water has also been known to be eaten by electric eels. 8. Electric eel electricity generation. The ability of the electric eel to produce electricity has made it well known throughout the world. It generates both low-voltage and high-voltage electrical discharges. The low-voltage discharge is used for electrolocation, which is how electric eels find their prey and perceive their surroundings. This skill, along with the electric eel's keen sense of smell, enable it to move through murky, cloudy water. Because each color has a slightly different conductivity, the electric eel can even distinguish between different colors using electricity. In addition to being used to kill or immobilize prey, the high-voltage discharge also serves as a line of defense against potential predators. Before devouring its prey, the electric eel uses a high-voltage discharge to either kill or stun it. The vital organs of the electric eel are located in a small area behind the head, as the majority of the animal's body is used to generate electricity. The organs that produce electricity are housed in the fish's tail, which comprises about 7/8 of its body. The electric eel has 3 organs that produce electricity. The top and bottom of the electric eel's body house the main organ and the hunter's organ, respectively. The low-voltage discharge required for electrolocation is created by the sox organ, which is situated in the tail. The body of an electric eel functions as a living battery. It has a positive beginning and a negative ending. In order to intensify the electric shock, the electric eel has been known to leap out of the water and wrap itself around an animal. Bioelectrogenesis is the process by which living things produce electricity. 9. Is the electric eel deadly? The electric eel has a maximum output of 860 volts at 1 amp. However, it can only produce this much power for 2 milliseconds, insufficient time for a human to be electrocuted. The electric eel's shock, while not fatal in and of itself, is painful. Smaller animals that are stunned by the shock may drown.